So hello guys. So this is the second phase of what e-commerce project we're working on. And just before I show you the code, there is something I wanted to show you guys. So I just wanted to show you how this project is structured. So it's a web app, of course. So I expect some multiple pages linking with each other, maybe login, sign up, and many more. So how the project is actually named is this is about not about really. So we have is it just a minute I check it out. I think it's here. This whole hub.html. So this is the first page. This is the first page. So when you open this page, we're using a Visual Studio Code. So there's an extension called Live Server. Amazing. So it's supposed to open. So you can see it's taking some time, of course. So yeah, this is it. So this is if you search this, if maybe come then we post it online. So if you search for this web app, you find this from it. So this is the dashboard basically. So it has the following. We have the home. So this is the home. Then you move to sign up, login, and then about. So you can move to sign up. Yeah, so just some details appearing here. I don't know for what reasons. So my email really says it's process. So as you can see, so this is the sign up page. You put your username, you put your course, you put your email, you put your password, and you confirm your password when you sign up. But because I haven't linked it with the backend with the backend bit that's the server. I've not done the backend bit. So this is basically the front end bit of the project. So that's why you see it can't sign up because basically there's nowhere those information are going to be stored. So we just log in here. So as you can see, it's got a sleek design of wooden and I chose brown color. Just appealing to the eyes. So again, for login, you have the username here, blah blah blah, and password. You can do remember me. Then after you connect to the database, so the login button will be working. So we have a register icon here. Let's say you're trying to log in and you don't have an account. So just click register. It will take you back to sign in. So we send that one. So let's just go back to it. So we have the about page. So this is the about page. So if you note that loading these pages is taking a while, this basically to obtain this icon from the net because I'm using icons that I've obtained from the links. So the icons are not yet downloaded on my website. I'm using them from the owner's website. So it takes a little bit some time for them to load, but again it's okay because the issue is already sorted. So what I'll be doing when I'll be using React to create a similar project, the issue will be solved because that is basically why React came into being. So React really improved the load time of web apps. They really load really fast. So again says welcome again to Foodie Hotel where we serve delicious meals with a heartful touch. So you can follow on Twitter, that's right. On YouTube, Instagram. Look, you can drop a complaint. Let's say you are not served well. So drop a complaint. Yeah, cool. So it's basically what you want to consult. So, gonna take you to the TTT index.html. So the basic index.html is the one that contains the main content of the website. And the reason being you're not seeing it's not connected with email because you're not bound the database. Because we need we need I need to connect it to the database so that should a user login, you will be taken to this page if the login is successful, or either if the sign up is successful from the user's side, you will be taken to this page. So let me just highlight it here. Again, I'm going to open it with Visual Studio. So you see the cut icon is taken from down to left here. So that was the challenging thing. So this is the main site. This is the main site where you can order. You can order. So you see the cart updating. Is the cart icon here. The number will be updating. So you see for now it's saying the cart is empty. Yeah, because there's nothing basically there. But if you click price, so you see it's adding and at the same time calculating the price. You see? So, okay. So adding and calculating the price and even giving you the name of the food. You can see here and there. Yeah. Yeah. So that's it. So it calculates for you the whole price, the total. That's it. But you can, let's say you clicked the icon by mistake, you can delete, and you can see it's updating here. I failed to show you. So say three, the count is counting three, and that's when you icon there three, and zero. So in the future, I'm thinking of when I'll be doing the backend bit, integrating like payment method like Keep and M-Pesa here. So that after you just click on your order, so you see the price. So the icon is going to be somewhere here. You just click, then by use of APIs like the one provided by Safaricom, the Raja 2.0 API, which is basically provided by Safaricom for developers. So when I'll be doing the backend bit, I'll add the icon here. So you just pay. Yeah. So that's the main page. Yeah. Contains some amazing food. It just makes my appetite water. So yeah, that's it. If I take you back to so the image are on the JS file. So I see the index the JS. I place the image here so you can see them. I do second by ID, so the images and link them, the price, the title. You can see there are a couple of them. I think there are 20 also, 20 something. A lot. So I'm gonna do so you can see here there is constant category set. So this is the JavaScript code that brings actually the functionality. If I take you back to the web, so this functionality of adding here is brought about by JavaScript, and that's why JavaScript was invented, because previously before JavaScript, web pages were basically dormant. You couldn't do anything because HTML and CSS, they can't handle this functionality. So the code you're seeing now is the one that brings the functionalities that you've seen on the app there. So you can see, I'm gonna push this code to GitHub because I had some requests from YouTube that some people want to see the whole block, of course. So hopefully by tomorrow it will be on GitHub. Then I'll share my GitHub repo on Tube, so you can be sure to follow. Yeah, so the whole code will be there, all the images. If you want to clone, go ahead, hit clone, but don't copy. Control C and Control V, don't those ones won't help. So you just follow through the code. You can clone it. Yeah, I'll share my repo on the channel on the description. You check from this video's description and say my GitHub repo. You can check this code there for machine learning and many more. So that's the code now. So these are the other pages you see, the login. I did it start styling, as you can see. In the login, so the login.html is being styled by login.css. The sign up.html is being styled by sign up.html. Yeah. So that was just the testing. Let me see whether. Oh, hello guys. Welcome back. So this is the second phase of this project, and as you can see, I've had multiple images. You can see here. Though the code is not yet so clean, I'll be working at it soon to clean it up. And for those who have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Amazing content coming up. I've dedicated a lot of content for the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna drop them down. So just make sure you subscribe, you like the video, and you also leave some comment, of course. I had some comment there that amazing. Actually, they're pushing me more. So this is the front end bit of the code. So I'm done with the front end. So yeah, I want to show you the whole code. So the the, 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 the project is structured in a way that uh, so we have home.html, so that's the first bit. So the home.html contain about.html and CSS, and it also contain login and sign up. So if we just open it with about.html home, so we just open it. I'm using VS Code, of course. This one is an amazing extension by VS Code, Open Live Server. Yeah, you don't need data to run into Wi-Fi. Yeah, that's right. So this is the page, the dashboard page. So it contains these following. These are the nav bars. We have home, sign up, login, and about. So you can do sign up, login. So I'm gonna click. So it's going to take me here. Let me just delete these ones. We just lost it here. So this is the sign up page that I designed. You can see you put your username and of course email, password, and confirm password. For those who might be wondering why I placed the course there, actually, I'm trying. The project is aimed at solving a problem in our school cafeteria. Actually, the Dentimagne University of Technology. Now there's a challenge there because people do overcrowd during lunchtime. You see people pushing the a lot of time wasted. So this app is kind of solving that challenge. You're gonna see in front. So this is the sign up. The reason why I'm not filling up any detail is because it's not yet linked up with the database. I've not done the backend bit that includes SQL and blah blah blah. Those backend frameworks I'm not yet there, but I will be in the coming days. So basically that's why if you click this on it tells you the page isn't working. Yeah, it's not connected to the database. So if you go back, you can do login. So see login, so beautiful. Don't worry about these emails. I don't know why they keep on sending themselves. So you delete them so that you see. So you have username, password, you know the new icon, then you have login. So if you don't have an account, you can register from here. You'll be taken to this page. You can see. So, yeah, I'm having an issue here. So you'll be taken to this page if you click the register icon when you want to sign up. Let me just push it up. I don't know if it's gonna load. Oops, sorry for that. So it's here. So it's in login. Let's see about. So the about page is when you're just cruising on our web page and you wanna see. Maybe you had a complaint you wanna drop. So you want to follow us on our social media pages. So it says welcome again. Today, foodie hotel where we serve delicious meal with a heartfelt touch. We hope to see you soon. So you can follow us on Twitter, and they're working by the way. The problem is that I've placed my Twitter and my YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn handle. So if I click Twitter, it's gonna take me to my Twitter. Let's leave it LinkedIn. You see, that's my LinkedIn page. I've linked it with my LinkedIn, so it takes some time that you want to see so that you verify it's working. So Simon Juma, a junior Django developer and machine learning and blah blah blah. There are many things I've not updated there. Yeah, so that's it from the section. And yeah, you can click. All of them are working. So take you back. Yeah, so that's the dashboard page. That's the landing page that when you search this website, when you'll be hosting it online, when you search it, you'll find it there. So yeah, let's go back to the codes. So you've seen all the codes that are on the landing page. So the other main codes are here. This index.css, index.html, index.js. So if I may open this one, you want to see this one is amazing. This one is amazing. Just look at it. Wow. So I chose a color of it's golden road with some lightish background. So as you can see, we have here the whole website. So where you basically place your order. Yeah, in the future, I'm thinking of integrating some payment methods like Lipa and M-Pesa because I've seen a couple of people doing that, and it's fun by the way. But though it's on the back end bit, like you do, there's an API called the Raja on Safaricom. So Safaricom provides an API for accessing M-Pesa services called the Raja 2.0. It's an open source free. So in the future I'll be doing that. But let me just take you through. So we have here the image, the name of the food, the price, then the add to cart buy button. So if I click it, as you can see, the cart icon here is updated, and also under my cart it is updated because previously it was empty. But now we have one updating itself. So it says 50 calculates for you the price, and so beautiful because if you were to pay, you just if the icon was there, you just pay because you've seen already the price. And if you click it by mistake, just delete. Yeah, so much fun. JavaScript is fun, really fun. I'm in love with it, by the way. So yeah, you can see delete and it updates itself. Yeah, so that's the bit I was talking about. You can see. Yeah, let me show you the JavaScript code. So the JavaScript code that brings the functionalities here. So I decided to put the images on the JavaScript code. I thought it was much easier dealing with them here because they've already been styled. Yeah, this one style under the here under the index.css. I think it's called images. Yeah, so that image styles the whole images. Yeah, styles the whole images. I think let me see if I can get it. So cut root sidebar root box. You can see it's images. So this one it styles all these images you're seeing on this one. You're seeing running on. Yeah, that's it. They are being styled here. That's the beauty of external styling. You have some clean code and you can basically pinpoint an error. So one advantage of external styling is that you get some clean codes that really run fast because each file is independent and some it's easy to pinpoint mistakes. Yeah. So just back to this JavaScript code. So the functionality of adding into cart will, will be added here. You can see the functionalities in this code. As you see, yeah. So it's here. I'll share. By the way, I've seen some amazing comments on the comment section on YouTube. Kindly subscribe and also drop your comment on what you think I should build next. I'll be there. So you can see. So this code I'll share it on my GitHub repo or the description bit of this video. I'll put my repo there. You can follow. You can clone it. Yeah, and just do some basic stuff with the code. Manipulate it to suit your function. Well and good. As long as it suits you, yeah, I'm okay. So yeah, so that's the index. As you can see. That's basically, yeah. So you can see the lovely. It's by the whole styling I did externally. All styling is externally because it's advantageous. Yeah. So sign up. Yeah. Everything is externally. So some of you might be wondering what this file is doing here. So because I had not connected with the database, I was just trying some free stuff here and there, like trying to validate user input from the server side. Because JavaScript is both server side and client side. So I was trying to use the client side, but it is not advisable, guys. As you can see, my email, password, the ones I was trying to connect, but it's not working for some reason. I don't know. It's not advisable to do client side validation or storage of user inputs because there's one disadvantages that JavaScript brings to web app. That is, uh, it it gives that security breach and allows hackers to manipulate web, like to get access. So it is not advisable to store sensitive data on the client side. Okay, yeah, but JavaScript can store, but it's not advisable. It's a security risk. It's a gamble. So if you're working on large projects, you just have to do database. Then I have to do this one later, not now. So good. Let's see. Yeah, so these are the images. I'll put them on one folder. That's the next bit. And yeah, I'll make sure that I share the code with you. So guys, as we come to the end of this video, that's the whole content. So you just leave me some comments. Tell me where I should improve on. Whether you love the background music, by the way. Yeah, just drop your comment. I'll be there to respond to you. And yeah, that's all we had today. For today, I'll see you on Monday. I'll be doing that thing. There's something I'm working on. So expect an upload on Monday. And yeah, I also leave my email address on the code. You can email me, GitHub. Let's collaborate. Let's do that Git. Let's commit the code. And I'm also open to collaborations, by the way. If you think you have an idea, we can put it in place. Yeah. So thank you so much for your time and see you next time. Ta-da!